it is, it's pushing it that way. I'm just going to put this scary machine away. I'm not going to use the fan, and that's relieving to me, but I am going to use it when I get help. What we are going to do is we're going to paint anyway. We're just going to use a regular fan. Fan 1, fan 2. The only airflow we're going to have is here. Spray this way, push, air gets trapped and go out into filter. It's incredible how much that fan just worked. I actually watched the spray from here go into the filter. And that filter is an aircon filter. Bunnings, it was like $37. Got a hole in my tent now. Annoyed. It's basically just sucking air from here. People might say, why didn't you put it outside? But that's because it's raining. So the two fans actually work pretty well. If you don't have an extractor fan, just have those normal cheap house fans. Put two of them like that, it actually works really well. And you spray towards the middle part of the fan. So it hits one fan, goes in the middle, and then goes out. Right, that's actually working. It smells in here. It does not smell outside. But what I don't like is the spray cans, and it took an entire can to do 2 boards. I ended up using the last bit of my black paint by hand, so I'm going to have to get out the squirts. Make a very cool and unique looking Poang chair. This Poang chair is going to get the squirts cherry red gloss. A gloss cherry red. That is strong. It's really strong. Looks like the red did get out from squirts. Okay, it's the worst possible time to have sprayed that. People home from work and stuff, but you know, I had to test it at some point. You get a lot of bang for your buck for that one. It only stinks right where one of the doors is open. It doesn't stink outside anywhere else. This filter idea is awesome. This time we're going to try extraction.